Are you facing the daunting task of cleaning out your apartment? Whether you're moving out, decluttering, or preparing for a new tenant, Junk Platoon is here to make the process a breeze. Let's explore why our apartment cleanout service is the right choice for you in Oklahoma City. Our apartment cleanouts are designed to simplify the process of moving from one place to another. Whether you're a tenant or a landlord, we're here to handle the heavy lifting and ensure a smooth transition. If you're moving out of your apartment, let us take care of the stuff you no longer need in your new home. Our full-service approach means we do 100% of the work, leaving you with a clean and clutter-free space to start fresh. Facing an eviction and need to bring the place back to square one? Junk Platoon is here to assist you every step of the way. Our efficient cleanout services ensure that the apartment is ready for its next tenant in no time. Is it time for some spring cleaning? Let us help you get rid of that accumulated stuff taking up space in your apartment. Our team will work quickly and efficiently to declutter your space, leaving it fresh and revitalized. Our pricing is straightforward and transparent, with no hidden fees or surprises. We offer upfront quotes and free estimates over the phone, ensuring that you know exactly what to expect. Our work speaks for itself. With years of experience serving apartment complexes throughout Oklahoma City, including Edmond and OKC, Junk Platoon has earned a reputation for excellence. Our dedicated team is committed to providing professional, reliable service with every cleanout. Contact Junk Platoon today and let us take care of the heavy lifting for you.